Let's head straight to the equities market now. Nigeria's equities market closed further in the green zone last week by 0.35% at the close of the trading section last week. Thursday, the Nigerian Exchange Limited All-Share Index and its equities market capitalization increased further from 51,178.41 point and 27.87 trillion naira to 51,355.74 and 27.96 trillion naira. Now, month to date decreased, however, by 5.3%, while week to date decreased by 1.04%. Now, the market's positive close pushed its record return year to date to a new high of 0.20% in about 4,309 deals, as investors exchanged about 600.7 million shares valued at 5.05 billion naira. Now, if you take a look at the top 5 gainers for the weeks, look at Access Corp, Transco Hot, and you also have Transcorp as well. And then, of course, the Fidelity, you have FCMB. And, of course, if you look at the top decliners there, you have Champion, Jais Bank, Equities, Cavitin, and Eternal Oil. Those are the top 5 losers and gainers of last week. So let's begin. So take a look at this week in view. Let's bring in our guest now. Isaac Anyalesi is a CEO, also CEO of Securities and Investment there. He joins us virtually now. Thank you for your time. We appreciate you for joining us. I'm not sure he can hear me, but let me quickly look at some of the top shares now. For instance, shares of Transcorp, Access Corporation, UBA, Fidelity Bank, and Zenith Bank were most traded last week. But what exactly should we expect this week? That's what we'll look at now. I don't know if Anyalesi, Isaac Anyalesi, who is the CEO of Security and Investment, can hear me now. Talk to us about, first of all, give us your take on the current trend recorded, especially we saw that the market went south almost about a week before, returning back to to the bull last week, where the market gained in 3 trading sections in a week before the Salah break. Talk to us. What do you think was responsible?
Yeah. In fact, not even within a week, for 6 consecutive weeks, for 6 consecutive weeks, we have seen the market and.
Well, I'm not sure if we're having a smooth conversation here, but I hope we really can get back to having a smooth conversation. Internet disruption there, but really want to hear what Isaac has to say about the BM market that has been recorded.
Hello, Frank.
In the market. Yes, you're there now. Please go ahead. Okay, let's quickly take a break. When we return, of course, we have, I'm sure we'll be able to connect back to Isaac Anyalesi, who is here to give us, an analysis of the market so far. We'll be back in a moment. Please stay with us. All right, so let's have Mr. Isaac Anyalesi now. We have to switch to telephone calls as a result of that disruption earlier. So thank you for joining us. You were talking to us about the current trend in the market. Please go ahead now.
I was saying that in the past 6 consecutive weeks, the market has witnessed the dominance of the bears, and the reason is not far-fetched. You have a situation where some investors are taking profit, because the prices were relatively high between December and January. And again, as some of the companies begin to declare dividends, it's expected that once they pay dividend, the prices up to the dividend price. that has not paid dividend is considered pregnant. That is to say, investors are expecting to reap return from their investment on that particular stock. So once you release the corporate result, there will be sentiment. Some investors, they consider that the prices are too big. It's better for them to take capital appreciation rather than wait for dividend, depending on the dividend yield of those equities. They might help. But some investors will also want to hold on until they collect their dividend. It depends on the investors' preferences. Again, too, you also have the issue of the political climate in Nigeria, which is not very stable. Even with the fact that you have a president, an election that people look at it, some people look at it as being successful, and some people look at it as not meeting the expectations of the electorate. That has also, increased the political risk dimension of Nigeria. And when you consider the fact that there is ongoing litigation over the election, so the climate is not really favorable for equity investment. Added to that is the fact that a lot of foreign investors have left the market, and we've not seen sufficient government incentives in order to move foreign investors to come back to the market. So these are some of the issues that have actually affected the dominance of that is responsible for the dominance of the peers in the capital market. You also have the issue, the fallout of the currency redesign. That kind of expectation was such that the economy was stifled, over a period of time. So all of that has more pressure to bear on the capital market.
Okay. I know we don't have much time any longer. But talk to us about your outlook for today as market resumes trading today, and of course what to expect in the week.
Well, the situation is not going to be very different from what we have seen before in the previous weeks, and the reasons for this is just around the corner for every person to see. Within the week, we're expecting that the CBN will roll out the treasury bills, and they expect that they want to reckon some 131 billion. And we've seen previously that early in the year, investors were settling for treasury bills at the rate of 7.43%. So that tells you that investors are just looking for a way to ensure that they don't suffer much capital erosion, in the face of inflation, which is currently at about 22%. So that is that. So you wouldn't see, you don't expect to see serious positive changes. Of course, if there are some equities in the market that who are releasing results, maybe first quarter results or year-end results, like we know First Bank have not released their results, Wema Bank and Fidel. Those equities, if they release results that are very fantastic and with very good promises for trigger activities, in those particular stocks. But if you look at what happened within the week, you can rest assured that you don't expect much positive outlook for the week. The banking sector lost 2.54%, and the banking sector is at the heart of every economy. The insurance sector just gained 1.14%, and consumer goods 0.17%, and that's on the heels of trading activities in Mansard Insurance and, of course, for the consumer goods, trading activities in Transcorp. And that for Transcorp is triggered by government policy. We all know that the president signed a bill for empowering the states to generate and transmit energy, power. So that is why you see Transcorp shares, and with people like Otedola, moving in force into that sector. That is a major trigger for the rally that we have seen around Transcorp shares. So we don't expect much. You will see a cost rate buy, and with the treasury bills, you agree with me that most investors will be moving their funds, into treasury bills, which is considered
Okay. Well, I think we'll just have to leave it there. Thank you so much for your time on the program today. Isaac Anyalesi is CEO, Securities and Investments Limited. Thank you for coming on the program. We appreciate your time.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me.
You've been watching Business Breakfast. Coming to you live from our studios. We take a break now. When we return, of course, we focus on Nigeria's debt sustainability debate ahead of the new administration. What is likely to change given the current cost of living in Nigeria? We'll be back in a moment. Please stay with us.